Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will be showing you guys how to create a YouTube channel. So first I am going to open the YouTube app and I am going to click on the profile picture at the top corner and click the sign in option. It will ask you to continue, then I will press the continue button. Now you can either enter a previous email that you have before or you can go ahead and create a new one. But I am going to create a new one for all the persons who are just starting a YouTube channel. So I am going to use a random name, so I'm going to say my name is Kim Brown. I just make up something. Then it asks you to add your date of birth and your gender. So I'm just gonna say 15th of March 1998. Then I'm gonna click on female and click the next button. Now you can go ahead and create your email address. So I'm going to name this email address Kim Brown 5000, and then I'm gonna add a little T. So that's what I am going to use, and this is just totally makeup. So I'm just gonna click next. Now it's time to create a password. You should create a password that is strong enough. More preferably to use numbers and stuff in it. So I'm gonna put in my password and then click the next button. Now I'm just going to use my phone number and rules that you have to follow, so I already read them, so I'm going to click on I agree. Then I'm going to click on the profile icon at the top corner and click on your channel. Now this is the time you can change your channel name if you want, but I'm going to leave mine as Kim Brown and press create channel. Now I'm going to click back on the profile icon and go to your channel. So that's basically it on how to create a YouTube channel. It's pretty simple. I will also leave a link in my description box on how to upload a YouTube video and also how to create a channel art or banner. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay safe.